They're singing, but I can't hear them. Ladies, I want to hear you. Hold on. Low, guys, low. All the single ladies make some noise. All the independent ladies make some noise. You pay your own bills. You buy your own tickets. You have money there on your phone. As a matter of fact, you're postpaid, you're not prepaid. Ladies, you have a J-O-B, make some noise! This is the most important one. This is the most important one. Everything inside of you is real. You don't got no filler here. You don't have no filler here. No filler there. And you have your real here. Look where we reach again. Even though I never wanna cheat, it's a thousand girl. Everybody start up. Look where we reach. Why we bring this hand up to the. If you want playing march on the road to a road, throw your hand in the air. So you could jump and know you're I'm so excited. Give me more mic. Somebody hold this to me. No. Anybody remember Pandemonium? I feel like we have a lot of young people in here. Anybody under 25 make some noise? Alright then. If you love soca music, say yeah, yeah! It's an energy. And Jamaica have energy right now. So when I say start to shake the place, everything in the air goes so. Go so, shake up every piece of your body. Even this. Sorry, Minister, sorry. I didn't see the Minister there, but Minister, we are here to shake. It's Carnival. Tomorrow we on the road, right? Can you feel it? Sing, any Destra fans? Destra fans, sing with me. Feel it in the air. From the time away. From the time away. From the time away. Spirits come alive when we celebrate. Somebody, you're looking nice. What we bring to life, go up on every day. It's the kind of high that they can replicate. What I guess? What I guess? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. One, two. Let's go, energy on this side. I feel like I'm more on this side right now, you know. Where the VIP? That is why. VIP Wagwan. You stush. If you stush, you have to go in at the bush. We go see. We go see who have it. Let me test them first. I'm testing this side. Shh. According to Beanie Man. Hush. Listen, you ready? I tell you what to do, right? You know what you do? Say, Pada. And you do your hands so. Like you're blowing a horn. Come on. Weak. Stronger. When they say, keep going. Pada. Pada, pada, pada. Everybody drop like this, go! Drop, drop, drop! Hey, hey! Put it up, somebody scream! Oh man, we're the real Marshall fans. Since 1997, since 1986, big fat fish, ready, make the man, and let her fall. I know they don't know where that song come from, but anybody know the movie called Lunatic with Aloysius? He used to say, God, why you never give me 3 little leaf so we can do photosynthesis? Remember the days when big fat fish used to rain from the sky? That is the inspiration for this song. But yo, Jamaica, I love coming to Carnival in Jamaica. If you're ready for the road tomorrow, this is the song. Let's go! Oh. I know getting on like I never. But I in deep concentration. Every eye on me, so it's now. For the dust to rise, Jamaica come to life. Your lip pelting waist, powder in. One fed to the next one when they know that is your turn. They don't know this shit. Sing it! Come on the play!
Oh gosh, if I'm scandal.